Hello folks, Big Daddy here, and Danny's here too. Danny's just filling up the little gas tank with some gas. He's got the battery charger out, and we swiped the battery out of the swather. And we got that sitting on the ground over here. Right there, and we got the long battery cables coming down. And she turns over by the key now inside. And we have spark. Danny checked the spark, and we got spark.
Yep, the part right here.
Yep, it lit up like a little candle.
And
So,
you got the light for
testing the coil.
yeah,
Make sure
the
power is going to
light
coil.
work.
He's got the battery charger down there. Danny's going to go in the house and get some Grain Belt beer. We're going to have some beer, and we're going to see if this thing will fire. So I want you guys to stay around. Don't run off now, and we'll see if this thing starts. You excited?
Yep, you bet.
If it doesn't start, you're still going to see us try. So
Right.
it's going to be a win-win anyways. You get to see us. Anytime you get to see us working on this old thing is a wonderful thing.
Right.
You can't pay for stuff like this. You ready? You ready?
Yep.
All right.
You betcha.
Okay, give us some gas. No, Danny, the gas.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, just keep pumping it. Keep pumping it. All right. Hold it open a little bit. Hold it open a little bit.
Going?
The gas.
Wow.
Wow. Whoa.
Damn.
Damn, right? Okay, pump it again. Ready?
Yep.
Why'd you just give her a little dump again? We'll let it charge a little bit and put a little dump in. You guys watching this?
Push hard in.
What?
Push hard in.
Okay, we'll try it. Try it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Not enough power.
Okay.
Want to get the truck?
Yeah.
Want to jump it with the battery cables?
Okay.
Whoa, whoa, baby! Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Holy moly! Hoochie mama. All right. Okay. Okay.
Ooh, baby. Baby, come on.
It is on.
Oh, wait.
Okay. Blew the door right open. Hey, we got a family-friendly channel here.
What?
We got a family-friendly channel here.
Whoa.
People make sure they're on.
What?
Yeah, they're on. Well, she fired. Danny's coming over to make sure you guys are on. Make sure you behave over there.
Yep.
Yeah, they're on. Better be paying attention. You better be paying attention.
Yeah. Maybe I should fill up about that. Put like half a tea.
I got enough. I don't want too much. I don't want to leak it everywhere.
So should I go tuck down toward the door?
No, we're more excited. All right. Oh, hold on a minute. Come back. All right. All right. All right. All right, well, the starter's acting up a little bit. The new one we put in. We give it a few love taps, and we'll be back when we get it working again.
I should video.
You didn't video it?
No.
What are we doing? Watching me choke? Beautiful, what a beautiful egg. Maybe I'll run off of this.
What?
Maybe we can get the run on this.
Yeah.
Hey, hand me that. Bill, yeah, I need that oil. I want to oil everything again. Beautiful. She sounds good. Sounds like a bunch of thunderstorms.
Yeah.
Well, it's got no exhaust.
What?
The muffler fell off in the back.
Took one for an hour.
Yeah, it fell off.
Any progress over here?
A little bit. Should we try it?
Yep.
Let's see if we got enough juice yet.
So you turn over a little bit or what?
Yeah, just keep turning it over.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Keep turning?
Yep.
You got one.
Come!
Short time fire.
Oh no. There's probably mouse nest in there that needed to
Right.
burn out.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
It runs!
So
Okay, Danny's gonna go get some more gas for it, and we're gonna try to get running enough, and we're gonna try to put in gear. We're gonna see if that back tire right over there will turn. She's up on blocks. We're just kind of curious. You know how we are. We're curious people. Okay, I got it in gear now. They turn. They turn. All right, well, we determined that we can get it running off the carburetor if we're giving enough gas, and the transmission does work. We had it in, I think, first, and it does work good, so that's a wonderful feeling. Well, it runs, folks. That's a beautiful thing. The old girl came back to life, and we found out that she works in first gear, so that's good. And now we don't want to let her run too long, get too warm. She's not hot right now, so we're just going to let her sit now. And then next thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to get some radiator hoses so we can get some antifreeze in it. The one on the bottom is hard as a rock. The one on top is kind of the old style hose. That one's still soft. We're debating if we're going to get it or we're just going to go with it and see if it'll work. So other than that, doing pretty good. And Danny's coming in, so any last words?
I'm so glad I won for 46 years.
46 years sitting out here in the Minnesota cold weather, and she runs now.
Yep. Man, wow.
So I don't know if we're gonna tell Danny's uncle now that we got it running, or if are we gonna tell him now, or we're just gonna wait till we get it running good and we're just gonna drive it.
I don't know.
Okay. Well, we're gonna debate about it. So you guys, you don't tell him. Don't tell him. All right. So you guys have a good day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.
Yep. Have a good weekend.
Bye.
Bye.